So hello guys, welcome back to the cricket podcast. First of all, I would like to thank all our viewers for the amazing feedback on our first video. Now, in now coming to the second episode. Now coming to the second episode. So in this episode, we'll rank the greatest ODI 11 in the past 25 years. So we start with Daksh.
Okay, so we'll start with opening, obviously. So I think only one name comes to mind at this time: Sachin Tendulkar, the god of cricket. Like
OP
49 ODI hundreds, 96 50s, 18,000 runs. Like
God.
I think he's the first name into any ODI 11, so there's no debate on that. And he actually has the most ODI runs in a calendar year, 18,900, I think. Huh? No, 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 sorry, 1894 runs. Huh? So yeah,
1894.
1894, huh? So I think he should be opening the batting. And to partner him, obviously we had so many options, but we went with Sanat Jayasuriya because for many reasons. Because we've seen Sanat like people have seen Sanat Jayasuriya, how the way he plays, the way he has changed cricket, and the aggressive batting of his, which is followed now in the modern game. And
But
Kanesh
Daksh,
had some thoughts about
but
opening.
Daksh,
So
don't you think Rohit Sharma should be pairing Sachin because of the impeccable stats he has
yeah.
when it comes to opening.
So
So don't you
when
think
Rohit Sharma was shifted to opening, obviously the way he changed his career, that was amazing. But I think like I'll just go with Sanat Jayasuriya for two reasons. Because the one thing is that he's revolutionized the Sri Lankan ODI batting and the world ODI batting, to be honest. And then at the 1996 World Cup, where he just started banging from the first ball, and that was the time when actually he first 10 overs में वो लोग ने runs मारना start किया, ऐसा वो वाला tradition start हुआ. एंड ऑब्वियसली रोहित शर्मा भी कंसिडरेशन में था अपने. एंड सना जयसूर्या का एक और है भाई, उसकी बॉलिंग बॉलिंग तो मोर ओडीआई विकेट्स देन
agreed.
शेन वॉर्न. Yeah, so I think we should go with Sana Jayasuriya in the second. So now we'll talk about number three. Iyer.
And so obviously at number three we have at number three the greatest batsman of this generation, and obviously arguably the best batsman ever in the shorter format of the game, King Kohli, no doubt.
Yes.
So at number four we have Kumar Sangakkara, the Sri Lankan legend. Uh, so your views on that, guys?
But I think Ponting will be a better option at number 4 because if you just look at his stats, 375 matches, 13,000 runs, 42 average, and his shot making was so pure he can make runs on any pitch provided. Plus
And
his captaincy skills will obviously help whoever the captain is of the team. So I think Ponting will be a better choice.
Yeah, Ponting is obviously undoubtedly a legend, but the thing with Sangha is also he also averages 41, does Kumar Sangakkara. So averages are similar, and at a time where Ponting played, if he failed, they had an Australian team that was there to back it up, and they would have still won games. But with Sangakkara, it was him and Jayawardene and Lone Warriors. If they fell, then the whole team fell apart. So they had to actually take responsibility for the whole side. So which is why I feel that in terms of pressure situations and burden, he obviously ranks a lot higher.
I feel Sangakkara is a better player of spin also. So at number 4 he'll have to play a spin a
Yeah.
lot. Yeah, so I guess we'll put him at
True.
number 4.
And extra left-hand batsman also adds up.
Achha, yeah, and also a left-handed
Yeah.
batsman.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
in the middle order.
And
Yes.
absolutely.
Then Sangha.
our
Second
number
highest
four-
scorer in ODI cricket history.
Obviously.
Absolutely.
Obviously.
So we have first and second. Anyway,
So, yeah,
let's move on.
So our number 4 is Kumar Sangakkara, and coming to number 5, Prasad.
So, guys, we have like one of the most undoubted selections in our team. The man is AB de Villiers. So, sports has a culture. Like the AB de Villiers is a person who has changed cricket forever. Like because of guys like AB de Villiers, we are able to enjoy one of the best cricket editions like T20. IPL feels empty if we don't have AB de Villiers in IPL. So if a guy is missing in IPL and we are not able to enjoy cricket, then he has defined cricket in some or the other way. So and in this ODI cricket, like if a man adds a value in a particular format, then he is a heavyweight in other formats as well. And he is one of the greatest cricketers that South Africa has ever produced and the world has ever witnessed. So AB de Villiers is undoubtedly one of the best players in this
Also,
day.
also,
So,
also, AB de Villiers has the fastest 50, the fastest 100, and the fastest 150 in one-day internationals.
Yeah.
So
भाई
I
उसका
think
एवरेज 53 है और उसका स्ट्राइक रेट 100+ है. So it's
And
that
he
is
was
something
the
really
world number one ODI player for 3 years in a row. The
King
record
de Villiers, yes.
only broken by Kohli last year.
King Kohli.
Yes.
and also AB de Villiers, what a fielder. Gun.
Yeah.
What a fielder!
So
What a
go
fielder!
One,
What a
one
sweet
thing
fielder.
one thing about AB de Villiers I feel bad about, that AB de Villiers have given so much to the cricket, but cricket haven't returned any of the ICC trophies to him.
So,
Deep.
So moving on to number 6.
and not even the IPL.
Yeah.
Coming
Yeah,
to number
so
6, Mr. Rishabh Singh.
At number 6, we have the greatest ever ODI player, arguably the greatest ever ODI player, a complete player, MS Dhoni. So he's also the wicketkeeper and the captain of the team. So captain, for obvious reason,
Captain.
he's the only player to have won all the ICC trophies. Wicketkeeper, some would say, why is Sangakkara not the wicketkeeper and MS is the wicketkeeper? So you just need to go on and see some lightning quick stumpings and some smart work from
We'll show you
him
in this
with
video.
the gloves.
We'll show you in this podcast.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we'll show you.
Yes.
So you just need to see those use of the leg behind the stumps or
Hands down,
those runouts he has done. So
And the way he
Hands
handles
down.
spinners as well.
and with batting, he is the player who has scored most runs at number 5 and number 6. Second highest at number 5 and
10,000
highest at number 6.
Saying 10,000
More
runs.
than 10,000 runs at an average of more than 50. Most successful, one of the most successful player in run chases. So yeah, the greatest of all time.
I have one more point
For
for
many.
MS Dhoni. So as we all know that cricket is defined as gentleman's game, and I think that MS Dhoni really adds a value to any team in world cricket.
On point.
If you have MS Dhoni in your team, then the standard of your team and the way opposition looks at your team completely changes. Dhoni is better, is good as a cricketer and better as a human being. He teaches values to his all the players in the team. So he is one of the best.
Such words.
He's one of the best players
Baloo too
that any
happy.
team can have on their side.
So we have another reason to miss out on Ponting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't need that captaincy factor from Ponting.
Yes.
We do need that aggression.
So
in
now we have a
Virat
trivia
Kohli.
question for you guys, and we'll be giving out the answers in the coming video. So the question for this week is, who is the player who got out for a duck on 4 occasions in the 2007 ODI World Cup? And your options are Sanath Jayasuriya, AB de Villiers, MS Dhoni, and Sachin Tendulkar.
MS Dhoni.
Yeah, so
We'll see
if
that
it is
later.
him, we'll see that in the next video.
Yes.
You
Okay,
can
so let's
give your
move on.
answers in the comments.
Okay, number 7.
So yeah, moving on to number 7, I think Lance Klusener picks himself because if you
Lance
see
Klusener.
batting record,
Yes.
batting record, bowling record, everything is just fine enough to be there. I remember his story of his test debut when he made his debut against India in Kolkata, and he was thrashed by Mohammad Azharuddin for 5 consecutive boundaries. He was picked as a fast bowler, not as an all-rounder. He was a number 11.
Such facts.
Yes, I've seen this video.
OP.
And when that man made a comeback in the second innings, picked up 6 for 84. And that was the time he announced himself in international cricket. And after that, whatever happened, rest is history. So Lance Klusener for me is number 7.
And his World Cup
7.
performances, man. Almost he won like South Africa the World Cup on his own.
I think one of the most
But that was
underrated
South
players.
Africa, so
One of the most underrated players in the cricket history.
needed to
Yes,
choke.
definitely.
Coming to
But,
number
like,
8, DK.
Number 8,
Okay.
on number 8, we have another South African. We have Sean Pollock here. Another
Sean
medium
Pollock.
pacer. another medium pacer, but what a man. His stats are just too good. 303 ODI matches, 393 wickets. And the most amazing fact is that he has more than 3,500 runs at that position. And
Wow.
this is just too good for having a bowler who can bat so nicely at number
So
8.
well at number 8.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes, definitely. So like deep batting we
Undoubtedly,
have,
Sean Pamuk is a pick.
and his economy is too good.
His economy of
What is his economy?
3.6 in ODIs is just
3.6.
good.
Wow.
Yes,
OP.
He was on point with his 9 innings.
yes.
And guys, according to me, this is what the cricket podcast adds values here. So guys, the
Lance
cricket
Lewis,
podcast.
I think, is most underrated all-rounder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, please tag Harsha
Coming to
Bhogle
number
below.
Harsha Bogle.
Yes.
Tag Harsha Bogle.
Tag
Yes,
Harsha
yes, yes.
Bhogle. Now moving to number
I-
9.
Coming to number 9,
Coming to number
Mr.
9.
Prasad
Yeah,
Salukul.
so guys, number 9. We have complete batting order, but when it comes to bowling, uh, the only one of the very few great bowlers that we had ever witnessed or cricket has ever witnessed is Wasim Akram, one of the best left-hand fast bowlers that cricket has ever witnessed. The name of the bowler is Wasim Akram, uh, left-arm fast bowler from Pakistan. It is said that he was very good with swing, and there is one
The
quote
king of
associated
swing.
with this guy, swing ka sultan, right, guys?
King of
Swing
swing.
ka sultan, king of sultan.
Sultan
Yeah,
of
so
swing.
Yes.
sultan
Sultan
of
of swing, king of swing.
Yeah.
He's everything.
He's everything, and
Yes.
plus he adds value from his batting as well
Yeah.
on this side, according to me.
He's a
So
decent batsman. Yes, I agree.
And he was
yeah,
also a
decent
very good
batsman.
leader. That is
Yes.
Yes,
overlooked,
yes.
but he was a good leader.
Hmm.
Yeah.
To be
Talk,
prime minister.
yeah, talking about his stats, he had played 356 ODI matches, and number of ODI runs he had is 3,717 runs.
Nice.
And yeah, he has very good stats in bowling, in batting as well. And bowling legend, we all know, so no
Yeah.
need to discuss about that. I have one more fact to share about Wasim Akram. He was not selected in his school team and college team.
College,
So
college.
वो
yeah,
पाकिस्तान
college
है ना
teams.
क्योंकि
So,
वो पाकिस्तान है क्योंकि चलो
Pakistan college.
so,
Hey, ये सब political agenda नहीं. Next.
okay.
But
Number
So
10.
coming to number 10, I think on one side if we have a good swing attack, on the other we should have a bowler with a good line and length, and I think undoubtedly that would be Glenn McGrath.
Definitely.
So according to me, I think one of the best fast bowlers ever to enter the
Great.
one-day international field, Glenn McGrath. He has taken 381 wickets, Daksh, if I'm not wrong, 381 wickets
Yes.
into 48
Ah.
matches, with an average of 22 and an economy of 3.7. So I think not having McGrath in an ODI team, I think would not be justified.
It's just
So
stupid.
I-
Huh?
Yes.
Also his World Cup record says a lot about him, taking 19 in the first in 1999 World Cup, then 21 in the 2003 World Cup, then 26 at the age of 37 in
Big match
2007
player.
World Cup.
Winning all
Big
3
match.
World Cups.
Something.
Winning all 3
So,
World Cups.
and winning also being
Most
having
wickets
a
in the
huge
history of World Cup.
contribution- Yes, and having a
Yeah.
huge contribution in Australia's win in all the 3 World Cups. And now,
Definitely.
so coming to number 11, so we have a very good batting lineup. We have a very good pace attack, but we don't have any good spinners. So I think one man will cover every aspect of the spin attack. I think that would be Muthaiya Muralidharan. So he's the most prolific ODI bowler when it comes to records or anything. So he has a total of 534 wickets. That's most by any bowler in. That's a legal action, by the way. Right, it was
Chakar. Okay,
Why
next.
his face created the
अय्यर का
problem.
बहुत अच्छा था जो उसने किया अभी ये वाला इसका
I
ना
think
zoom करो
उसका
That's not a
आधा wicket
legal
उसका face
expression.
picture मिला रहेगा.
चलो next. हाँ,
That's a
बोलो
legal
बोलो.
action. So I think Muthaiya Muralidharan will is more than enough when it comes to spin attack. So
And we
so
also have
that's how
Sanat
I'll-
Jayasuriya. So
Sanat Jayasuriya is a legend, bro.
तो
But
उसके
Rohit
साथ
Sharma.
करेगा.
Okay. So guys, I'll rank our playing 11 once again. So on number 1 we have Sachin Tendulkar and Sanat Jayasuriya. Now 1 down we have Virat Kohli. Then we have Kumar Sangakkara. Then we have AB de Villiers. Then we have our captain and our wicketkeeper Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Then we have Lance Klusener. Then we have Sean Pollock. Then we have Wasim Akram. Then we have Glenn McGrath, and finally we have Muttiah Muralitharan. So
Yes.
special mention to Jack Callis, because I think
Legend.
when it comes
Yeah,
when it comes
legend.
when it comes to one day cricket or being Test cricket, he's the greatest all rounder we have witnessed in our
Ever.
generation. I think in terms of statistics, he's undoubtedly the greatest all rounder of all time.
Please
Pure
let us know if you have missed any good player. Mention it in the
Yes.
comments.
Stuart
And
Binney. Stuart Binney we have missed.
again, if you want us to have a podcast on any particular topic, you can just ask us in the comments.
And I hope
You
you
like
guys
this video, you like,
We will try to
subscribe
keep
to our
it.
channel, The Cricket Podcast.
Yes.
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 And love you guys. Stay
Love you
safe.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.